Salary reserve and lapsed salary. Do you know what these two similar-sounding budget concepts are and how to use them? Despite their similar names, salary reserve and lapsed salary are quite different. Let's start by looking at salary reserve. Salary reserve is the difference between the amount of money budgeted for your agency salaries and the amount of money required to pay all existing agency positions. It's most often created when a position is downgraded or filled at a salary amount less than the amount at which it is budgeted. Lapsed salary is the budgeted dollar amount not expended for a salary and associated benefits during the period in which a position is vacant. For example, when an employee leaves, lapsed salary is accrued during the time it takes for your agency to recruit and fill that position. If a new position is created in your agency, lapsed salary will accrue until you fill the position. Now, let's explore how to use salary reserve and lapsed salary. Salary reserve can be used to budget an increase in salary of other positions in your agency due to salary changes such as a promotion and/or reclassification. Or it can be used to fill a position at a salary higher than that at which the position was vacated. Your agency can use salary reserve to increase salary requirements within a given fund or purpose without approval from OSBM. State agencies need to submit a budget revision for OSBM approval to use salary reserve to change the funding source for an existing position or to create a new receipt-supported position. State universities are an exception to this and do not need OSBM permission to create a new position. You can find more guidance on using salary reserve in Section 3.8.8 of the State Budget Manual. In contrast, lapsed salary funds can be used for non-recurring purposes and thus cannot be used to increase the salary of a position or to pay for a new position. While lapsed salary can't be used for salary increases, the funds can be used by your agency under some circumstances. It is important that agencies realign lapsed salary funds on a non-recurring basis only. Use of the funds can't create an obligation after the end of the fiscal year. Nor can an agency expand a program's scope or purpose using these funds. Please see Section 3.8.7 of the State Budget Manual for more guidance on the allowable uses of lapsed salaries and guidance on making these changes to your budget. Your agency will need to keep track of lapsed salary funds and how they were used. By statute, this information must be reported to OSBM every year. For a quick review, salary reserve is the difference between the budgeted amount for salaries and the amount required to pay for all existing positions. Lapsed salary is the amount that accrues in unspent salary and benefits when a budgeted position is vacant. There are different rules and uses governing salary reserve and lapsed salary, so it's important to understand the differences. Please refer to the State Budget Manual or reach out to your OSBM Budget Execution Analyst for more information.